musicologist and a performing artist. Today I'm going to take you through a tutorial of a traditional song called Mukaranga Aneshanje. I'll be using Mbira, which is in F major, and I'll break down the song into 4 bars for easier understanding. Enjoy. I'm using Mbira, which is in F major. The first chord of the song Mukaranga Aneshanje is also on F, which on Nyunga Nyunga is played by the 2 notes 11 and 5, like this. The second chord will be on A minor, which in this case will be a 15 and a 7 played together, like this. The third chord will be on D minor, which in this case will be a 13 and a 1 played together, like this. The second bar of our song progresses and it starts on F major as well, which in this case is also on 11 and 5 played together, like this. And the second chord making up the bar will be a D minor again, but in this case we are going to play 13 and 5 together, like this. And the third chord will remain on D minor, but we will replace 5 or substitute 5 with 1, and it will be like this. So playing these 3 chords in sequence, the whole bar will sound this way. That is the second bar of the song. Our third bar is going to start on G, which in this case is a 13 and a 3 played together, like this. And the second chord will be on D minor, but in this case we're going to play a 13 and a 5 together, like this. The third chord will remain a D minor, but we play a 5th of the D minor, which is a 13 and a 1 played together, like this. So playing the whole bar will sound this way. This is the third bar. Fourth and last bar of the song, Mukaranga Aneshanje. It starts on C. In this case, it is our 11 and our 3 played together, like this. The second chord goes back to A minor, but in this case our A minor, we will take the 15th and the 7th note of our scale. It will sound this way. The last chord will go back to C, which is as well an 11th and a 3rd played together, and it sounds like this. So playing the whole bar will sound this way. This is the 4th bar and the last one. So playing all the 4 bars continuously now, they will sound this way. Starting with the first bar, second bar, third bar, 4th bar, continuously. All this while we've been using the harmonic intervals in playing or strumming our Mbira, but now we can use the melodic intervals. What I'm basically trying to say is we've been playing both the notes at the same time, this way. But now we want to play them separately, and this is how we're going to do it. Our rhythm remains the same. Second chord, third chord, 4th chord, now coming to improvising our song. On the first chord where we play, we can break our F or our 11 and 5th notes into 2 distinct sounds. For example, in the initial we are saying, you can play, playing the whole bar will sound this way. playing the second chord, instead of repeating these two notes, you can start with 11, then 9, this way. So playing the first two bars will sound this way. Now you can be able to improvise your style of playing. For example, in the first chord where we are playing our F, which is our 11th and our 5th note played together, we are saying, instead of doing that, we can incorporate key number 9 to say, so playing the whole chord will sound this way. And when we are playing the second chord, instead of repeating this basic pattern, you can start now with an 11 and then you proceed to a 9th, this way. So playing the whole song will sound this way. So you can play continuously the whole song, but improvising on F. Now we want to further improvise our song, adding the top notes section. But this section strictly is not to be tutored much. We leave it to how each person feels the music and how they intend it to go. But for basic learning purposes, this is how you can play it. Thank you viewers for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more videos of such tutorials. Please follow me on all my social media handles at Zicky and Mbira.